In this video, I'm about to show you how you can enable staking on Kraken in just a few steps. So this way you can automatically earn money just by holding crypto on your account. Firstly, you will need to have your Kraken account ready. If you don't have one yet, I will leave a link with a bonus below, which will get you 20 euros in Bitcoin completely for free. So as you can see right here, you just need to deposit 100 euros and trade them or just convert them into any other crypto in the first 30 days. So those rewards will be paid in Bitcoin, and you can also keep inviting more people to get 20 euros for every friend. So after that, and after you have some money on your Kraken account, we can go to the earn section and then auto earn. So right here you can find more details and the list of all the cryptos that will let you earn money just by holding it. So for example, if you want to hold Solana, you can get from 2 to 5% APR, and you don't need to do anything. You can even find options for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and more. You will get up to 14% APR. So to enable this, you need to go to your profile right here at the bottom left, then go to auto earn, and right here you can find staking or opt-in rewards. So those are different things. You can enable both if you want to, and right here you can find the cryptos available for these offers as well. So let's say we want to enable staking, just do it like this. And now if we go to earn and then we go to auto earn right here, you will see your balance on this program, the lifetime rewards you have got, and that's it. In my case, I have no money on this Kraken account, but just by doing that, you will keep generating more money and interest on the cryptos you have on your Kraken account. Right here, you will see more opportunities as well. For example, if you want to earn more on your Bitcoin, you can also enable it by clicking there and enable this as well. And now this earn tab should appear with basically all the rewards you will be getting. If you want to turn it off, just do the same process, go to auto earn and disable this right here. So that's how easy you can use the staking auto earn program. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.